Okay.
Yeah.
Event 3.
Foot long, tread CrossFit, event 3, WOD 2.
What's that, just counting?
With a 45-pound bar, 45-pound bar, 25-pound weight, 25, 3 10s, ready to go on.
Okay, 5 of them. 5 really good ones. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good attempt was 95. On to 115. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good set. Okay, same form. Keep right over there. On 135. Oh, you got it. Okay. Good. Yeah, you got 145 and 10. Should be right. Go, 135.
Good job, Brooke.
Same technique, same form. Lock in tight. Deep breath, lock, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. 135. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. You got a minute.
You have 50 seconds.
You want to go 5 to 10s? Quickly, take off your socks. Get moving. Come on, Brooke.
Adding 5 pounds to each side.
Going to 145. Got less than 30 seconds. Get that on and jump on the bar. Lock in and go. Got this.
You got it, Brooke.
Here we go.
Let's go, Brooke.
Tight. Deep breath, lock in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Good set. Okay. Hold on. And go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Like that. 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. 10.
Great job, Brooke.
12. 13. Great job, bro. 15.
Okay, don't move.
16. 1 minute left. 20. Got a minute. Check up turns for a second. 1. 30. We got left. Come on. 31.
Fun. One more.
32. Time. Good job. Good job, Brooke. So she got 145 in weight on the 5-rep deadlift and 32 hand release push-ups. Good job.